Goeiedag, hallo mense. Hi people. Hi people, hello mense. Now there's a video, this video, let's see where must I start with this. Okay, this was a long story, but I cannot tell you all about the story. But this box, I've done some nice traveling without knowing it, all over the world until it got here. So this box came from here. Let's do the look at the World Atlas. Die Wêreld Atlas hier. En ek kom so kry so. Let's get it right like this. Now it went from here. Where is it? I think it's from there. And it flew down to there. This is India, and that is South Africa, and it went to there, and it took several days for the custom story and to tell me that to get the right paperwork and all that nonsense before they released it. Voordat dit gelos het, dit van India afgekom, van daar, was dit daar, en toe het hier baie tyd daar gespandeer, met die douane, the customs, and then they released it eventually, dan uiteindelik dit losgelaat. So then it flew by plane again, because this is also flown by a plane, shipping company, plane company. I'm not going to mention names now, ons gaan nie name noem nie. Maar anyway, en dit daar gekom, en dan het dit weer gescan geword. It got scanned there, and it went back to Johannesburg, and then it came by road with a road courier down to there. Yeah, it was there, somewhere here. Okay. There in the center, that's where I'm here in the center between Port Elizabeth and Cape Town. Tussen Port Elizabeth en Kaapstad in die middel center daar so. En jy kan sien as jy opgaan met deze, wat die tydlyn ek is hier, Finland, en what's it? Piece of Ukraine and so on. Greece. Shall I take this? Greece. Alright. Then this, as you can see that, it's Australian, so that came from here. I think it's from there. It came from there, and it went across to there. Right, so Mildura is 8 hours exactly from us. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This thing is not right. Fake. map this. Must be 8 hours. Anyway, in ieder geval. This is made in France, and this came from Poland. So, and then that came from France, and that one came from Poland again. So Poland and France. Many of the stuff came from Lithuania. So that must be from somewhere there. Poland. And there's Lithuania. Yeah, so it's from there, some of the stuff came down, so it's more or less the same timeline. The same time we have here now. Then what else was there? Okay, yeah, the Indian Post. Okay, now let's go see what's going on here, because they told me these stuff will fit a 1976 XT2 motor, and I was waiting for this package from India. So let's see what's going on there. So let's take a paper out of here. Wel pakt, goed toegemaakte pakke hierdie. Skade vandag aan deze box nie. Damage the box. Too much. Cardboard, yeah. First get all the tape cut off. Something is happening. Getting out of one box. I'm handling it with care, but I doubt it if they did so in shipping. Normally they throw everything around, gooi dit alles rond. En met die verskikking kan wees. Goed is. Okay, tape. Tape op daar. So. We see what's going on here. If it's a 1976 model and on. The thing is here in this box. My fingers mixed. Now it's becoming windy. Just put it lower, otherwise the wind might blow it over. Like so. Dit die laer bring as die wind nie dit overblaas nie. Good. So 1 mm oversized. I must cut it here. Right. A little bit frightened if it's going to be wrong, because in the later models, see that now some people get mixed up with this stuff. They talk about a 2XD2 2.5 liter motor, which you don't get. A XD2 motor is 2.3, that's the capacity. 304 cc. XD3s are 2.5 liter. I see some people call it 2.4. The 2.4 comes in there, but it's actually 2.5. Because that's nearer to 500. So it's 2.5 liters. Okay, the 2.5 liter motor is XD3. Maar die XD2 is allemaal 2,3 liter. En dan het die ander cylinders met inskroef in spuiters. En dit is waar die mix opkom met die 2,5. They get mixed up with the 2.5 because the newer XD2 motors also has screwed in injectors. And then I think it's a XD3. It's not an XD3, it's still a 2.3 liter XD2. Good. And now let me get a fret. Oh, not a fret. Because there are a difference on these pistons. The turbo has a different piston than the normal engines. And the normal engines are different size pins, wrist pins, dodging pins, piston, seierpenne verskil. Som op die so ek wil nou nie skrikke nie. Kom ons kyk of hier binnekant aangaan. Don't want to get a fright. Oops. Yeah. It's thank you. I nearly died. That looks good. Let's see. This is a wrist pin. It's now waxed in. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come now, uit. Yep. Let's see if my Conrad will fit there. Because my engines are old motors. They're all between 76 and 1980 models. I think that those after 1980, the XD2s changed with a thicker pin, and then 30 millimeters. Now this one, let's see, 28 millimeters. So that fits tight. Wow, very tight. Even further out. To get the whole pin in that thing. Om 'n hele seierstang daaroor. Pas lekker styf. Wow, baie styf. It's actually so stiff, it's pulling the pin out of the piston. Stuff. actually too stiff. It must be looser than this. Tight. But, excuse me, but it works. It's going to work. 95mm bore. Good. Okay, now I can play with this. See what happens. Nou kan ek speel met dit en kan ek kyk wat gebeur. Want there's a auto there, daar die kar daar, that car there, that auto there has the same pistons in it than this. These, yeah. In the box, this piston. Goed, nou dit is daar, then now I want to fit it in there, into that motor. And I'm kind of on a seesaw because I don't know what I must do, because there's nothing wrong with that engine at all. It's still good for it's a very good motor, that. Should do, it should do 500 or 600. 5 ton, 6 ton kan doen. 600,000 kilometer. If you look after it. As jy na dit kyk, behoort dit 600,000 te doen. Want daai meter. Maar ek moet nou deze seiers insit. There's a lot of paperwork to be done if I swap it out with that one there, because I want to do that one. I can't make them fit these pistons in that end motor there, but then I must take that one out and put this one in, and then it's an OMT story. Very expensive OMT roadworthy story. A turf will be expensive. Okay, so let me say bye bye from this video. Let's get these bolts out of there. Put this away, yeah. Okay, now bye bye from this video. So tot ziens van deze video. My laptop is kaput, so somebody has to fix it. But now I'm using the phone for everything, to upload the videos and all that funny stuff. I'm not editing my videos. I don't have time for editing or cutting pieces out or joining pieces in or anything like that. So this is what it is, and that's it. So until the next video, tot de volgende video, tot ziens. Till the next video, bye bye. Thank you for viewing. Dankie dat julle na die video gekyk het. Sorry for that. Thank you for all the subscribers. Dankie vir al die inskrywenare wat ingeskrywe het op deze video en so. Tot de volgende video. Tot ziens. Actually, the pistons isn't meant for the XD3 motor in that pickup, but for the XD2 motor in that pickup. So ek het dit gekoop nie vir die XD3 motor daar so, maar die XD2 motor daar. Okay, thanks for viewing en ja, dankie Casper vir die baadjie, oorpak baadjie met die leeu teken op. Thanks Casper for the overall jacket with a lion on it. Alright, and then I say bye-bye from this video. Dankie dat julle na deze video gekyk het. Thank you for viewing this video. Until the next video. Bye-bye. Tot ziens.